Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel, and for those who are new, welcome. My name is Jovi, and for today's video guys, as you can see, I'm currently in the car and all dressed up because it's my friend's birthday today. Guys, and we are going there to celebrate it with her. Mimi is not with us today because she's with my other friend. They've got something on today guys, so it's just me, Daddy and Paris, and as you can see Paris is sleeping there. But yeah, it will be fun. We'll see a few of our friends there, which is really exciting. You know, it's always good to have time with friends guys. And yeah, so I'm gonna take you with me, and yeah, you're gonna meet some of my friends later. See you. Hi! Here's the birthday girl. Hi! Oh, ganda-ganda, diba?
Siyempre.
Ano lang,
100 million viewers, thank you.
18 years old lang today?
Well, I am 18 years old lang ho. 100 millions, thank you for the viewers sa suporta. Maraming salamat.
Guys, ang daming food guys. Oh! Showing the food? Ito ang mga ay, ang lighting. Tika muna. Look at the food guys. Dalawang reyna ng kagandahan doon. Yung lighting kasi. Look, there's so much food in here. You want food, honey? You want food? Okay, eat. Well, eat.
Binigyan ko siya dito ng rice, di ba? Ito niya ng rice.
You want some, honey?
Pagkaluin ko siya dito with mommy.
Ikaw muna. Ano nga, harap nyo nga itong, ano? Diyan. Ay, tika muna. Guys, we're cooking turon, guys. Ay, ang galing. Bakit pag ako nasusunog yung sugar?
Bakit ano ba? Hinaan mo lang kasi ang... Hinaan mo lang yung kuy.
Wow, yummy. Anong meron dyan?
Lona coffee.
Oh,
Ito, milk.
Honey! Hi, honey! Hi! Do you like your marshmallow? You like your marshmallow? Good job! Hi, Tiweng!
Hello!
Oh, diba? Bongga talaga yung atiwing namin, oh. Pa-outfit nga dyan, pa-outfit. So guys, this is what I'm eating. This rice and some beef soup with corn. Is that your monkey? No more monkey jumping on the bed. Oh, thanks.
Paris, yes, mama. Eating sugar,
no mama.
telling lies.
No mama.
Open your mouth.
Good girl. Knock. Everybody clap. No? Hello. Friend. Where are you going? Paris. So guys, here's our outfit of today. So this set from Fashion Nova. And just flats guys, white to match my top. And I just curled my hair guys, para may iba naman. Hi guys, we're going home. We'll say bye. Bye. So, nice meeting you. Hi guys, we're going home now. Yeah, say thank you.
Thank you very much. 1,000 viewers. Oh, plus the addition of 2,000. Oh my God, amazing. Thank you.
Sige na, alis na kami. O, sige na. Ano, beso-beso na kami. Ha? Walang katapusan, beso-beso. Honey, come on, let's go.
Hey! Hello! Ang magkapag-sabi.
So guys, we're going home now because we still have something to do tonight. But yeah, I think that we're going to end the vlog here now because I'm still gonna drive home. Another 30 minutes or 40 minutes drive. So yeah, so Ate Wang here. But yeah guys, thank you very much for watching. As always, I appreciate your time. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye! Bye, Nati!
Iyak mo na.
Pa-baby!
Bye!
Pa-baby! Bye! Bye everyone!